Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 11 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. SmartHalo 2 Make your bike smarter. The SmartHalo 2 is the all-in-one connected device that gives life to your bike since it was created by cyclists, for cyclists. It provides you with precise navigational indications to help you find new routes. With the brand new, programmable peak display TM, it keeps you connected to what counts. With a totally revamped, super effective front light, it illuminates your path. Because of this, SmartHalo does not have an on or off button. It syncs with the fitness applications you already use and tracks and shows your cycling information without requiring you to press a single button. With a deafening anti-theft alarm, it safeguards your bicycle. It also functions, feels, and looks unlike any other bike computers on the market. As soon as you get on your bike and turn it on, it welcomes you with a vibrant animation of your choice. Coming to number 2. Poseion, a next-generation Vortex showerhead. Additionally, the microplate boosts pressure and conserves water, while the combination filter cleans tainted tap water and removes any remaining chlorine. Only third-generation showerhead with a counterspin magnetized filter currently in use. Ordinary tap water is magnetized by Poseion to create magnetized ion water. Additionally, Poseion water is regarded as safe for consumption by animals as well. A pet's life may be affected by magnetic vortex water. Pets who take baths with magnetized water typically have healthier, more aesthetically pleasing fur. While using less shampoo, magnetized vortex water keeps hair nourished, shinier, and more manageable. Even the scratchy scalp is avoided. Coming to number 3. Powerful power bank and portable sterilization system. Additionally, bacteria numbers increase dramatically in standing water, raising the possibility of adverse effects. Water contains a lot of bacteria that might harm a person's body, according to scientists. The phlegm compact may be easily fastened to the cup with the help of the lid, which also serves to block UV rays from dispersing. Traditional water purifying techniques are insufficient. The phlegm compact UV diodes are situated at the surface, where the propeller causes a movement of water. An electric propeller that is built inside the mug begins to rotate as soon as the power is turned on. The UV rays are undispersed and exert their greatest disinfectant impact on the water's surface. Coming to number 4. Floating cards. The floating card display. The raw card cases are being created and they will work with ungraded cards, so follow the directions that we provide, and you can count on your favorite. That you don't need to get your cards graded in order to show them. Several functional prototypes have been developed with future funds. Cards to maintain their form and brilliance over time. As long as you treat your PSA graded cards gently, it won't harm them. Coming to number 5. Magnetdabbles. High-quality dual-tip magnetic gel pens give you the freedom to fidget, perform incredible tricks and stunts while you pull, fold, flick, click, tap, slide, swirl, snap, stack, restack, and much more. Allows for towers, bridges, buildings, and other constructions that resemble house drones. When you join 2, 3, 4, or more pens together, the possibilities increase. People with ADD, ADHD, autism, stress, or anxiety may become fidgety. We are really excited about all the numerous ways Magnetdabbles will be useful for both young and old, since they can offer an excellent alternative. These unyielding fidgets will make stunning back-to-school and holiday presents. Coming to number 6. Real Racer. First-person view, FPV, RC driving experience. It fills the gap between the two and provides an excellent FPV RC experience at an affordable price. Don't be afraid to compete on the most difficult racetracks thanks to the 4-wheel drive and completely independent suspension. Real Racer is fully plug-and-play and uses a straightforward, vintage RC control. Then connect your phone and start racing. No complex setup or expertise is required. The gap is wide open when it comes to FPV RC cars on the market today. Choosing between inexpensive, low-end, or pricey, too complicated FPV RC cars is frequently impossible. Make a video of your races and show it to your loved ones. View your home from a completely different angle. Utilize the high-resolution 720p FPV camera to record every turn, jump, flip, and victory. Coming to number 7, SupBro Space. The UltraSonic electric sneaker cleaner. Cleaning shoes can be laborious because a hand brush struggles to enter those deep creases. The best method for cleaning white sneakers, expensive sneakers, your cherished Jordans, or any other pair of sneakers in your collection. Cleaning your shoes has never been simpler thanks to SupBro Space. Our sonic brush space can clean your sneakers more effectively than any other cleaning brush on the market, regardless of whether they are made of leather, textiles, synthetics, or foam. Space makes it simple to remove stubborn leftover dirt from fabrics that other conventional brushes can't reach. To fully protect the shoes and increase their longevity, the cleaning foam is created from water, surface active chemicals, preservatives, fungicides, and natural plant essence. Coming to number 8, Sika 2 Hydropack and Cover Bag, a smart unique LED bag. It is a special bag that blends internal smart technology with hydration pack functions. Voila! Cover your backpack with a Sika 2 cover bag. Your bag is now more fashionable and is quickly turning into a smart bag. Sika 2 is equipped with multicolored 16 by 16 pixel LED lights that you can adjust via an app to increase your visibility, security, and enjoyment when out and about. Naturally, all of this is done without compromising the bag's primary purpose. In addition to showing indications, the remote also allows playlist management. Coming to number 9, Box Buster Cutter. A natural intuitive placement at the box margins is made possible by the device's patented elegant design with 2 front side wings. This makes cutting simple by directing the box buster in a natural direction when the user pulls it safely toward them. Motion offers more safety than open-bladed knives, removing the risks associated with unintentional slippage. Coming to number 10, Wooden Modular Desk Organizer with MagSafe Charger. The base is glued with a stainless steel sheet, and the top portions have magnets embedded in them. Different desk, tray, and drawer organizers served as inspiration for the design of Tidy, which was then enhanced. I took ideas from other market-available organizers and made it better in every way to create the ideal one. The 15W fast wireless charger, which is MagSafe compliant, can be attached to either side of the base using the inbuilt magnets. We are standing in front of you with our modular and magnetic space organizer after weeks of planning and prototyping. Coming to number 11, Bud. Safer and durable electric vacuum seal containers. The Bud is manufactured of premium food-grade PET material, which is safer and more enduring than other vacuum-sealed containers on the market that are made of as material, which is prone to cracking. Compared to other vacuum-sealed containers, the Bud container has a capacity of 7L. Just place your food in the Bud container, then use the electric vacuum pump to remove air from it until the container is completely vacuumed. This indicates that the container can hold the equivalent of 24 eggs. The kitchen will benefit greatly from this. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.